Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
This is what I hope you all can see my screen, right? So this is the program where we stopped. Okay, so this one will just the app which I'm using. See, I'm using Idle. Okay. I'm using Idle. The reason why I'm not using Trinket is because in Trinket, that window is really small. So, I have to keep scrolling multiple times up and down to just see. So I thought I'll just do it in Idle. Okay, you can also download this if you want. You can just go to python.com and there's a download session where you can download this onto your system, or you can use Trinket also. Okay, no issues. Okay, so here now let's run this code and see how much we have completed. Okay, so let me run this. Where is that? Okay, so we have done this two. We have done the two squares. Okay, wherein we have our blue square and our red square. Now what we have to do is we have to put two dots, okay, or two circles in our blue square and one in the red square. Okay, so let's do that now. So as you can see, the turtle is at this position. Okay, as you can see, the turtle is in this position. So now let's go ahead and see what to put a circle. So let me close this. Now after pen up, okay, next what we have to do is we have to use the go-to function, right? Because we have to go to the center of a square, to a particular position to put the white dot, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say C dot go to. Okay, now this is going to be a trial and error. So let's see, like, let me take it as 2, okay? 2 on my X, comma, let's take maybe minus 15. Okay, so please, this is, see, as I told you when we were doing, I had showed you the quadrants, right? Okay, so based on those values, you have to guess the values and do this. Okay, so I've taken go to 2 comma minus 15. Okay, after I do this, what should I do? The next thing should be C dot pen down, because I've already said pen up over here. So I have to say pen down. Okay, now C dot pen down, and then what is this? Okay, then I am going to choose my color. Okay, I'm going to choose the color. So I'm going to say C dot color. Okay, because we need what color we are going to take. We are going to take the white color because the circle is white in color, right? So we are going to say white. Okay, and next what we are going to do is we have to put a dot. So there is a function called dot. So I'm going to say C dot dot. Okay, so remember, do you remember where else did we use this particular dot function? In that dice program, you remember when you roll a dice, right? We use this particular dot over there. So the same thing I'm going to call C dot dot of say maybe 20. Okay, 20 is nothing but how big you want the dot to be. Okay, C dot 20, and then I'm going to say again C dot pen up once I put my circle. Okay, so now let's run and see this, what is happening. So file, save, and run my module. Oh, okay. It's come here. I think it has to come a little more inside. See, your X value is okay. But now if this circle has to come a little more down, that is my Y coordinate, right? So I have given Y as minus 15. So if I have to come a little more down, what can I give my Y value as? Anyone? Should it be, what should be the minus 25, minus 17? Okay, let's try with minus 17 because I think 25 will be much outside the square. Okay, so let's see with minus 17. Okay, so let's see this. Save, run module. Almost, I think it should come a little more down. So let's try with maybe 17, 19. Okay, let's try with 19. And I think the dot is a little big. So I'm just going to reduce this to maybe 15. Okay, it's too big for the square. So I'm just going to reduce to 15. Now, if you are given as a square where you're giving forward of 100, if it is a bigger square, then I think C dot of 20 should be fine. But my square, no, it's a little small. So I'm going to reduce the size of the circle there. Okay, so save this and run. Almost. Okay, I think that should be good. Okay, so we got one dot over there. Now we have to do another dot right below that. Okay, this position, you have to do one. Okay, so let's do that now. So let's say, okay, after pen up, the next thing is, what should I do? Again, I should use a go to. Okay, because I should go to a particular position. So I'm going to say again, C dot go to. Okay, now here my X value is the same. Okay, only the Y value has to change. So minus 19 for the first dot. So if I have to come little more down, then it should be more, right? So I'll give minus, I don't know, maybe 50. Okay, let's try that. And then after that, I have to say the same procedure, C dot pen down. Okay, and then you don't have to again specify the color because the color is already specified. I have not called the end fill function. So by default, the color is still white. So you don't have to again call C dot color. Okay, so the color is already white. So I'm going to just say directly C dot of 15 and C dot pen up. Okay, so I think this should take care of the second dot. So now let's run this and see. Save. How can you hide the turtle? You can just say hide turtle. That's it. Okay, so now run this and let's see. Almost. Okay, I hope you all are also getting this. Now let's go to putting another dot in the center of your red square. Okay, so again, we have to, the turtle, can you see the turtle is in this position? We have to get it all the way here. So next will be again using a go to function. So let's come here. Okay, C dot pen down I've done. Now let's say dot go to. Yeah, anyone, can you tell me what will be the values? An approximate value for X and Y? 50. I need both X and Y value. 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, let's see. Let me try with 40, comma, 40, comma, let's see, 8. Okay, this is only a trial and error. We can see if it is not correct, then, you know, we can change it. Or I don't know, maybe 10. Okay, C dot go to, and then again, I'm going to say C dot pen down, and then After C dot pen down, I have to say C dot dot. C dot dot of 15. Okay, I think that should be done. Pen up. If you want, you can tell pen up because that will be the end of the program. Let's see. Now let's see how to open idle. You know what? Don't now think about how to download idle and do it on that. I would suggest you go to Trinket, sign up. Okay, sign up and then you can start using Trinket. All right. So now let me save this. And I'm just going to say run module. Almost, right? In the center. Maybe if you want, I can, I think that should be good enough. It's almost in the center. So now you can just go ahead and say hide turtle because you can see the turtle over there. So you can just say hide turtle. So maybe after this, I will just say C dot hide turtle. Hide turtle, and maybe I think I'll just make this that's correct, I think. Let's see, let's save. Yeah, there you go. Okay, maybe the X value, it's almost like perfect. Okay.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.